Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope all of you are doing so well. So today is a very special day in Korea. It's now Seolnar. It's a New Year time. Let me show you. From yesterday, the holiday has started. Let me show you the outside first and then I will tell you what is the purpose of today's video. So I don't know अगर आप लोग देख सकते हो या नहीं कि अभी भी स्नो गिर रहे हैं, अभी भी स्नो हो रहे हैं, पर बाहर बर्फ़ बहुत जम चुकी है, बहुत एक दिन पहले से बर्फ़ गिर रही थी. सो अभी ये मौसम है बाहर. सो as it's my holiday as well, and first of all I'm really sorry for the background. This is my roommate's part and she is Korean, so वो अभी अपने घर गए हुए हैं सोलनर के लिए, अपने फैमिली के साथ बिताने के लिए. So I don't want to touch her space, so of course, so background is a little messy, so I'm sorry for that. And I do live in Dome, so of course I don't have the authority to do as well. So let me tell you first what I'm going to share in today's video. So today I'm going to share you some tips and some more tips to how to get scholarship to study in Korea. I am not talking about GK scholarship. Maybe it can be work for GK scholarship as well. I am gonna give you the tips about the scholarship I received, about that only. And maybe it's gonna be, actually no, it's a tips for all kind of scholarship because all professors are same. They don't judge you based on what kind of scholarship you're coming about. They judge you how you are as a student. So all they care about is you and your personality. So I'm gonna share some tips and more tips how you can get a scholarship to study in South Korea. So let's begin. But before starting the video, let me show you my two babies these days. Don't think about any cat or dog because as I told you, I live in dorms, so of course no way. So these days my two babies are this and this. I am allowed to take care of plants in my room, of course. I do have them. Honestly speaking, I didn't buy them, okay? मैंने नहीं खरीदी. Like in my last volunteering work, I have went there. I was the best performer there, so the leader gave me this too. This is Mexican mint, if I'm not wrong. Like all the people that are watching this video, if you guys know the plant name exactly, please let me know. I really want to know this plant name. But according to my research, I got to know that it's a Mexican mint. I mean, it has some very good smell, and I also searched in Google by the picture as well, and Google saying me that it's a Mexican mint. So yeah, I think it's a Mexican mint. But if you guys know about this plant, please let me know. I really want to know this plant's name, and please don't focus on my hair as well. I know it's a messy. And next coming is a rosemary. Oh my god, I really want to have this plant for so long. So finally my leader make my dream come true. It don't have any smell, but I'm waiting for this to grow up so I can make some homemade hair oil, you know. I mean, all the Indians can connect, guys. Love you. I mean, I love you, all of you. I love all of you guys, all my subscribers. I love everyone. So now let's start. Oh, see, it started to grow even. It started to grow even. Oh my god, soon I'm gonna have my hair oil. Yes. Okay, now let's start it. Okay, now let's come to the main point, which is the very important point, like how you receive the scholarship. Okay, so first and very important thing is, before coming to the Korea point, please first search or focus on your dream, that what kind of university or what kind of academic background you really want, like which country suits you more. It suits Korea or Canada or California, Chicago, any European university or anything, because I have talked about my opinion with other of my friends in university, like exchange program students, even the regular students as well from different department. They said that actually it works for their same country too. So thank me later, even I'm sharing this as for the perspective for South Korea, but it's gonna help you to get the scholarship in other countries as well, because I got confirmation from different kind of country students as well, like from Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, then Spain, France, Canada, and then Germany, and many more. So it's gonna be helpful for you guys to get the scholarship in others kind of universities as well, in other countries and continents as well. So please don't forget to give me a thank you, okay? I deserve it, okay? Okay. Then coming to the next is, please first search, make a list of a country, like which country you really want to go. Like for me, I have countries like Germany, Japan, and then Korea, and I never had Canada on my list. I mean, I never had it. I don't know why. I don't remember because it's back to 6 years almost, so I don't remember perfectly. And I had Paris. Of course, I had Paris on my list. Of course, it's my dreamland. So and Australia. I had these few countries on my list. And after you make your mind on the countries you want to go through, then make the list of universities. And now coming to the very important part of the university choosing is, first, choose at least 10 university from each country. First 2 or 3 university, make those universities which is out of your league. Like पहले आप ये वाली यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करो जो आपको लगता है कि वो आपके औकात से ही बाहर है. like I thought for me in Korea, Yonsei and Sangyukan University was the like out of my league university, मेरी औकात से बाहर वाली, but thankfully it was मेरी औकात वाली university थी, but still to say that पहले 2-3 university आप ऐसे choose करो जो आपके औकात के बाहर वाले हो, and then coming to the next is 2 or 3 यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसे चूज करो जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ somehow you can make it there, of course like not of course as if like somehow आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो, somehow you can make it up, like somehow you're like beyond all the situations, some things like our mind still say that maybe there's a maybe, so maybe kind of university, choose that 3 maybe kind of university, and now as all besides the 6 university, now choose 4 university जो आपके औकात के है, like that bro, it's my university, it's exactly like my university, choose that kind of university, like if you're gonna choose the 10 university list, but for me I have chosen how many, I have chosen 6 universities, for there I had choose one मेरे औकात के बाहर वाली, one मेरे औकात में लाइक सोसो टाइप के, और 4 मैंने चूज की जो मेरे लिटरली औकात में ही है, सो आई हैव चूजन 6 यूनिवर्सिटीज, सो इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन यू गाइस like how you gonna choose, it's totally up to you, can choose 10 or 5 like anything, but I will tell you if you choose 5 it's better to take decision on, बिकॉज ज़्यादा आप चूज़ करोगे तो ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि लाइक अब क्या करें, कौन से किसको कट करूँ किसको ना कट करूँ, लाइक बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, सो इसीलिए ट्राई टू चूज एज लेस यू कैन डू, लाइक फॉर मी आई डिड इट एज वेल. And now the next part is choose your department, like sorry not choose, like go through your department, like actually like a very honestly like normally not all country do provide your not gonna provide your like a subject in English, so this is the problem, like अभी आपको चूज करना है आप कौन से लैंग्वेज में करना चाहते हो, अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो और कंफर्टेबल हो जिस कंट्री में आप जाना चाहते हो उस लैंग्वेज में करने के लिए, सो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू लर्न द लैंग्वेज बिफोर गोइंग टू द कंट्री, और आफ्टर गोइंग टू द कंट्री मे बी यू गोना टेक सम लाइक लैंग्वेज क्लासेस बिफोर, लाइक कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ कोर्स ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि आप पहले क्लास ले लो लैंग्वेज के, देन उसके बाद आप वहाँ पे लाइक नॉर्मल डिपार्टमेंटल क्लास करना स्टार्ट कर दो, सो ये हो सकता है. सो पहले ये देख लो कि आप जो डिपार्टमेंट में जाना चाहते हो वो डिपार्टमेंट अगर आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हो तो वो डिपार्टमेंट अपना अपना सब लाइक आपके सब्जेक्ट वो इंग्लिश में पढ़ा रही है या नहीं, अगर कोई सिंपल लाइक क्लियर इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट इज सेंड द मेल टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस आस्किंग दैट इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज अवेलेबल इन द डिपार्टमेंट इन इंग्लिश और द कंट्री यू आर चूजिंग, by means that like if you're going to the Germany then German language, Spain to Spanish language, Japan to Japanese, something like that. So after checking those, when you are confident with your department, now very important thing, दिल थाम के बैठ जाइए और रुक जाइए, थोड़ा सा पानी पी लेती हूँ, बहुत बकबक कर ली. Isn't it so good? I got it from the Kakao store. A preach, my cutie pie. I love it. Okay, sorry. Okay, coming to the very, very, very important and next part is choosing your what? Choosing your professor. Choosing your professor is the very important thing, really very important. So right now, how you're gonna choose your professor, like under whom you're gonna go or whom you really want to accept you for the scholarship. So now first, check on the department faculty. Go to the faculty, there will be of course like divided, like for me, like I'm gonna give my example, like as I'm right now student in Chungang University for the global MBA department, they have the marketing, accounting, finance, management, then बहुत सारा कुछ मुझे इतना याद नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड अबाउट अदर स्टफ्स, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन ग्लोबल फाइनेंस एंड IT एंड मैनेजमेंट दो स्टफ, सो आई रिमेंबर ओनली अबाउट दो स्टफ. सो पहले ये चेक कर लो अपने फैकल्टी पेज में जाके सारे प्रोफेसर्स कौन है. सॉरी आई जस्ट हैड माई लंच, सो या सो पहले ये चेक कर लो. सो ये चेक करने के बाद सारे प्रोफेसर्स के ना नीचे मेल एड्रेस भी होते हैं और वेबसाइट भी होते हैं. थोड़ा सा टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा बच्चों एंड और माई सब्सक्राइबर्स, लिटरली you have to give time, like literally you have to go through the website if you really want to like get a very good professor. Now go to the website and check out the professor's work, कौन से टॉपिक में उन्होंने काम किए हैं. पहले तो आप अपना लाइक मेजर चूज करो, लाइक फॉर मी ग्लोबल MBA में मैं अभी ग्लोबल फाइनेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट पे कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बस ये मेरे फैकल्टी पेज में जाके मैं बस ये 2 प्रोफेसर्स के पेज ही चेकआउट की थी, लाइक ओनली फाइनेंस के और मैनेजमेंट IT ये वाले में ही मैंने देखी थी. मार्केटिंग, सेल्स, देन HR ये मैंने खोल के भी नहीं देखी क्योंकि मुझे ये लाइक ये इसमें मेरा थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट कम है, सो मैंने और मुझे पढ़ना भी नहीं था तो मैंने उसको खोल के देखा भी नहीं. So, and also it's up to you if you want to check out all, it's up to you, but I will tell you, so be focused so you can be clear on your path, like what you want to do exactly, so you can go through the exact way what you exactly want to do. So after that, go through all the website of your professor कि उन्होंने क्या क्या काम की हुई है, और एक लिस्ट बनाओ, उसके साथ उन लोगों की मेल आईडी भी नोट आउट करते जाओ. सो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे प्रोफेसर मिलेगी, क्योंकि हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में ना भरे प्रोफेसर है, बहुत सारे प्रोफेसर होते हैं. सो पहले वो देख लो किन किन प्रोफेसर को, लाइक किन किन प्रोफेसर तुम्हें अच्छे लग रहे हैं, लाइक विच प्रोफेसर यू डू लाइक इट, लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट कौन से प्रोफेसर तुम्हें अच्छे लग रहे हैं, लाइक विच प्रोफेसर यू आर लाइकिंग द मोस्ट. सो वो लिस्ट करने के बाद थोड़ा सा सांस लो, उसके बाद एक दिन की ब्रेक लो, टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर वन डे, बिकॉज जो मैंने अब तक बोला उसको करने के लिए एटलीस्ट एक हफ्ता तुम्हारा जाएगी ही जाएगी, एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. एज आई टोल्ड यू, I did all this research and all 5 years before, like when I was literally doing my bachelor's. No, I did complete my bachelor's and then I was doing my work in my country. That time, like for like a 2-3 year almost, I took the time to do all my researches and all. So इसका एक हफ्ता जाएगा. So now take a deep breath and take a rest for one day, because सामने बहुत बड़े दिन आ रहे हैं अचीवमेंट के लिए, तुम रेस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. And that's all for today's video. I'm gonna share about the more details about this, because ये वीडियो अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, इसका पार्ट 2 भी आएगा, ये पार्ट 1 है. आप लोगों को क्या लगा था मैं सब कुछ यहाँ पे ही बोल दूंगी? नो 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 नो, मैं जानती हूँ आप लोग वेट करोगे सेकंड पार्ट के लिए. आई एम सॉरी, बिकॉज मुझे इतना बोलना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बट रियली आई एम गोना शेयर द पार्ट 2 वेरी सून. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड and let me know, of course, that what kind of more video you guys wanna like see, or you guys want from me, so I can make, because right now I'm having my vacation, so I have so much time to give you guys. So just let me know what kind of information or what kind of topic, like a video topic, you guys wanna see, so I can make. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and I'm sorry for like a stopping the video today. I'm really sorry, but I promise in between 3-4 days I'm gonna post part 2. This is just a part 1. I'm gonna post part 2 as well. So I hope you gonna enjoy the video as well, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. Oh, of course, it's on YouTube. So my YouTube, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube, like this channel, and like please give it a thumbs up if you have liked the video, and leave a comment if you like it or you have any questions. Of course, feel free to ask it. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because contents are on the way, and Facebook as well. And recently I have opened my TikTok as well. You can follow me there if you wanna see, because I sometimes post like a Korean lunch, like a university lunch video or something like that. So you can check out too. Like आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी कोरिया में आने के बाद, खाना का थोड़ा दिक्कत होगी अबाउट द टेस्ट, मे बी मोस्टली द एशियन पीपल्स आर कमिंग हियर, बट ऑल्सो यूरोपियन लाइक अदर वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज पीपल टू, द टेस्ट इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. सो या थोड़ा सा तो दिक्कत होगा, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना होगा. Okay, you have to remember that if you want to get something, you have to lose something. So with this mentality, you can change your country for study or get a job. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and see you in my next video. And love you guys, and thank you so much, all my subscriber, for showing your life. I hope I can share more useful contents to you guys, so which can be helpful as well. And I really deeply love you guys, and in future I hope that I can do something for you people's very good, like a, I don't know if I can be a great person, because I don't wanna like put my standard that high, but I just wish I want to do something good for you guys. If through me anyone can be helpful in their future, of course I'm there for sure, always. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you soon on my next part.